Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 7. This program requires Windows Service Pack 1 or later. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set 001. Click and expand control, click Windows. Open CSDVersion, change value data to 100. Close and restart system. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.